British entertainment comes in many forms. Your favourite pint, a classic TV show, a comedy night, a knobbly knees competition, going to a panto or going to the pictures. All this makes up British entertainment. So today we're looking at the northern and southern accents, the British Entertainment Edition version. And I'm going to play you short clips of Lee Mack, an English comedian, and Jodie Whittaker, an actress. They're both from the north of England. Myself from southern England, because I'm from down south, as we say. And then we'll look at specific vocabulary used in the British entertainment industry. So here's Lee Mack. I'm going to play a clip of him where he talks about his starting out as a comedian.
And it was my first go at stand-up comedy because the host of the night, the entertainment manager, said, I don't want to run tonight's show, will you host it? And I'd done a bit of mic work as a blue card.
So the first word we'll check is how Lee says the word run. Now he says it in a very northern way, which is this.
I don't want to run tonight's show.
But I say run. So he has the vowel and I have the vowel. Because actually the vowel doesn't really exist in some northern accents. Now the next one is the goat vowel. So Lee says this line.
A bit of mic work as a blue card.
Did you hear how he said the word coat?
As a blue card.
So in southern English we say coat. It's more of a diphthong. But in the northern accent it could be court, like this. It's more of a monophthong. Let's listen to Lee again.
Work as a blue card. As a blue card.
So Jodie Whittaker is an actress, and here she is talking about being the first female Doctor Who, which is a classic TV show in England.
Within the world of the show, to be a woman isn't so much a shock within the story, but I think, like you say, the previous casting has always been men.
Can you hear how she says the word world? So she has a slightly rhotic sound, so an R sound, but she also says a clear L, and the final D. So it's like this.
In the world of the show.
But in the south, if you're from London and the southeast, these days you're more likely to say it rather like this, world. So it's not a clear L. In fact, it's called L vocalization. So you say world. Now, she also says the word show in a very distinctive way, a very northern way as well. Let's listen to it.
Show, the show.
So she says the word
show, the show.
Like this. But I say show, O. So that's clearly a difference there. Jodie has a more monophthong, shaw sound, and I say show. You keeping up? Alright, so let's go through the vocabulary from this video today. So the first word is panto. So panto is short for pantomime. It's a uniquely British Christmas theatre tradition. You could say, who's playing in the Christmas panto? The next word is pictures. Now, pictures can be used for the cinema. So you could say, oh, there's a double bill of Kubrick tonight. Let's go down to the pictures and have a look. And then, of course, there's the knobbly knees competition. What a classic tradition this is. You basically have to show your knees to see how bony they are. And if they're the boniest, you win the competition. Oh, look at those legs. You could win a knobbly knees competition, you could. So let's do a practice sentence. I'm going to let Lee take it away, and you've got to copy Lee's accent. Then you're going to see if you pass the test or if you are not ready just yet. Take it away, Lee.
Hello, welcome to the knobbly knees competition type thing.
Thanks, Lee. Now you copy it. Alright, and on the screen I've got either the past or the not ready cards available. Which one are you? Put in the comments below which one you think you are at the moment. Which one are you out of the two? Have you passed the test, do you think, or are you not ready just yet? Now I hope you enjoyed this video on the Northern and Southern accents, the Great British Entertainment Edition. Now I do plenty of other videos in my channel, so have a look around and choose the ones that fit you, because I've done a lot of different kinds. For example, London accent videos, county accent videos, regional accent videos, famous people accent videos. Take a look around, because I'm sure they're going to interest you. And all I've got to do now is say, see you later, stay connected, and you know what? I think once I did win a knobbly knees competition. Cheers.